Okay, thank you for joining me here on our little tour of the Rent to Rent Accelerator training program, which I'm hugely excited about. If you've got this far, then you're definitely interested. So I wanted to show you exactly what you're going to get, because I always know that when you invest in training, when you invest in yourself, you want to make sure it's a good investment no matter what you're doing. And I want you to have complete clarity in this training and faith in what we've put together here. So you will be, once you have signed up, asked to put a password in and to join a system called Kajabi. Once you have done that, you'll be able to log in with your email address and your own unique password. You will then have access to different training products. Now, if you've bought and taken me up on this offer of the Rent to Rent Accelerator, you will have that as a product. You will also have the 90-day planning masterclass. Now, if you have chosen to add the management agreements and lease agreements training product as well as the contract, you will have a third product in your Kajabi portal. If you haven't, and you've just gone for the standard package, you will only have 2 products there. Now, that might end up having some more products in there as I build them and as I put those in. But that's predominantly what you should have now. Now, as you go into this, you'll be able to have your own portal, and you'll be able to log into this via your phone, via the Kajabi app, desktop computers, laptops, whatever you want. So each of these thumbnails that you'll see down the left-hand side here represents a training module that I go through with you. So we introduce you to everything. We work our way down. We go through a bit of mindset. What is rent to rent? The best properties to use, pros and cons. Everything that you've seen in a list is here. These are all training videos. But what I wanted to do was just click on these and show you what they're all about. So in each of the videos, when you do click on those and we go into them, you will have the training video here. Now, these training videos pretty much go from 5 minutes up to 45 minutes, some of them. They'll be the ones that I actually show you how I find property deals and things, and how to get out there and find the deals for yourself. Now, every time you've watched it, you will be able to see that you've watched it, because once it's completed, you'll get a tick on the training module. And you can also star the training modules as well. So if you like something or you want to go back to it, then of course you can. Now, here we go with the landlord letters. Let me show you on this one where the resources are. So when I talk about a resource here, you'll see there's a download section where you can download the letter template for you to be able to use to start sending out to landlords straight away when it comes to that sort of thing. Finding rent-to-rent deals is a very nice long section. Not all deals will be right to you, how to fund your deals. But as we come through here, I know one of the important things is how to stack a rent-to-rent deal, how to get the numbers right. Well, if we click on this one, as you will see there are spreadsheets here for HMO rent-to-rent deals and for serviced accommodation rent-to-rent deals as well. So you can download those and you can start using those. Now, what I would say is when you go onto this module is please do download those, open them up if you can on another system. Now, if you're doing it on your phone, you won't be able to. But if you can, do that on another system and be able to sort of follow along with what I'm showing you so that you learn it, but you also do it at the same time. And I find most people get great results when they do that sort of thing. So as you're going through here, as you click on the modules and things, as you go down and watch the training videos, there will be links to download guides, to scripts, to deal analyzers, to landlord letters. And equally, one of the most powerful things that I've put together in here is my rent-to-rent negotiations guide. Now, we want to be going out there negotiating the best deals. As I've said in the past, we never take advantage of anybody, but likewise, we don't want people trying to take advantage of us, and we do not want to be doing bad deals. So with this downloadable guide that you just click on that and it'll download it to your system, to your phone, whatever, you will have a breakdown of exactly what I go through in the training module, and you'll be able to take those sheets, whether it's printed off for yourself or whether you just have it on your phone or a tablet, and you'll be able to follow along with that, and that will help you negotiate the best rent-to-rent deals out there. So as you can see, there's over 3 pages here of training for you to go through. I'm always adding things as well as I go out there in the world and I try different things in my own rent-to-rent businesses. I will be adding training modules. You never lose access to this training. So once you've joined us here, you'll never lose access to this training on this Kajabi portal. You'll never have to pay extra for this training to keep access or anything. Once you've bought it and you've joined us, then that is it. You are in with us. And of course, as I said to you before, this is a low-cost entry to see whether or not rent-to-rent is right for you, to get through it. And a lot of people can watch this training, can then go off and actually build a successful rent-to-rent portfolio and business. Other people then do choose to come and join us in my advanced groups or my coaching sessions and things, but it's entirely up to you. You don't have to do that. But that is one of the reasons why I've kept this at a low cost. Please do not think that this is a low cost product. It's not. This would be and should be selling for £1,000. But I want to give you a taster of my training, of my teachings, and I want to help lots of people get out there, create successful rent-to-rent businesses, because that helps the industry, it helps landlords, and it helps our reputations as we're going through this. You only need a couple of properties, cash flowing very, very well, to completely be able to change your life and open your mind up to all of the opportunities that are out there. So I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough. If you do have any questions, you can reply to this email and we will get back to you. Of course, you can reach out to me on social media as well. But I look forward to seeing you coming and joining us very, very soon, if not now, in the Rent-to-Rent Accelerator. And let me help and support you on your rent-to-rent journey. I'll catch you very soon. Take care and bye for now.